What's going on, everybody? Nanime here, bringing you guys another awesome video. I just got dizzy. See that island? Can't really tell much on camera, but that's an island, and we're staying 24 hours on that island, going fishing. This is a private beach. A wonderful lady named Judith just gave us permission to come down here into this private access. Look at all the minnows, holy crap. This is gonna be freaking absolutely awesome fishing overnight on that island. It's gonna be sick. Let's get out there, Daddy-O. Peace. All right, off we go.
Big bass right over there.
Is there?
Oh, he was like that. Seriously. He was right on the other side of that. Right on the side of that.
Holy crap, I about flipped over. Oh, there's a nice bass right there.
Yep.
Dang, this water's so clear.
Kind of warm too.
It's kind of warm too.
Oh, look at that big ass bed. And that bass just came off in it. Totally.
Oh yeah, he's a big bass on that bed.
I saw it. It was huge.
There was two of them because I saw another one.
I just saw that one. That one was fucking massive.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm trying to get out.
Dude, this is gonna be some good fishing.
I think we're gonna catch some good fish.
Heck yeah. I'm so excited. What?
I forgot something.
What? We'll see you guys when we get to the island. So we beached and we looked down in the water. There's so many rocks and we already found a bunch of Petoskey stones. So we're definitely going to be Petoskey finding here soon. What? You just found a big one, didn't you?
No, but it's like smooth and nice. That's a nice one.
That's a Petoskey.
It's a nice one.
Sweet.
And it's smooth too. There's no imperfections in it.
Yeah, tons of rocks, tons of Petoskey finding to do. And then when we get out, I don't even see where it's at.
We'll be making
We're going way over there to that beach. You can't even see it, but that's all the way across the lake, and that's going to be our exit point. I'm pretty sure that's the
boat landing.
Boat landing.
It is.
But we're at the island, and we're getting up, and we're going to dock, and then we're going to go back out fishing. See you guys in just a minute. Daddy-O, are you excited?
Yep.
Me too. All right, so we just got our stuff up on shore. We tied our boats off. A little bit of poison ivy here, but I think it'll be all right. We walked up into the island here. Doesn't seem like an island, but it is. I'll show you an aerial view of it right now. We walked up over here, and there's already a freaking fort. Look at this.
Pretty cool.
He's rolling a cig. There's a big hill right here. We're probably gonna pitch a tent right here. This is a sweet island. We're not gonna use the fort, but we got a tent. This is super sweet. So we're gonna leave our stuff right here and we're gonna go out fishing. Dude, I'm so excited. This is super awesome. Go up on top of the hill here. Ugh. Whoa. There's a big hole in it. In the... What the heck? This is crazy. Water all the way around us. This is super cool. There's a bunch more island to explore that way too. Our boats are right down there. Wow, this is awesome. Whoa! All right, we'll see you guys when we're out on the water. We're gonna go fishing. So, we just saw a big bass. This is the island that we're staying on. There's another island way over there, but we're not gonna go that far. But there's no fish here, so we're gonna go fish in front of somebody's houses where there's weeds and stuff. But so far, we got here at noon, and we're leaving at noon tomorrow. So, yeah, this is gonna be sick. And we gotta paddle all the way over there to leave. That's gonna be nuts, but time to catch some fish and we'll let you guys know. Daddy-O's got a fish on, bring it over here.
Holy shit. Shoot. Come on. Really? Your hook's good. You ain't going wrong. Hold on, I'll be right there.
I'm fishing at on a bed right here. Trying to get the bass to bite my lure. He's like he's off?
Huh?
Oh, he's not off.
No, he's not off. He's hooked on good. Hey,
Walking your fish, are you?
wait.
No, you're
Walking
not
my
skunked.
Ah, coming in hot.
Oh, nice.
Not bad.
Nice. Smallmouth.
Yeah. Want to release him?
Sure.
It's a decent little guy.
Nice little
Got a
smallmouth.
pretty color to it.
Yeah, it does.
He was hooked good. I saw it sitting over that. Did you see that?
The little drainage thing?
Yeah, it was sitting on top of that.
Yeah, I saw him.
Over there, and he immediately grabbed it. That was fucking cool.
So there's
Yeah,
smallmouth.
Sunny.
Sunny.
That was awesome.
Nice.
My first fish.
There's a bed right here somewhere I've been fishing over.
Oh, right here.
So our island is right here in front of us. I know it's hard to see it, but we went all the way around the outside of the lake, all the way to there. I didn't catch anything. My dad caught one, but we're heading back to the island now, so we'll see when we get there. So we're back at our island, and we're looking through all these rocks, finding some Petoskey stones. We found a few already, but I'm gonna take you guys Petoskey stone looking as soon as we get to our little base area. Come on, Daddy-o. It's freaking beautiful out here, man. So nice. All right, right here by our spot, and I'm gonna look for a Petoskey stone. There's so freaking many of them here. I'm pretty sure I'll find one on camera for you guys. I will let you guys go, and then when I see one, I'll turn it on before I grab it. Okay. Nice. Daddy-o found one.
That's a good one. So many bugs are here as well.
I moved it down a little bit. Now we'll see if we can find one.
I found one really quick. Now I'm gonna go.
Alrighty.
I'll be right back.
I'm sure I'll find one. There's so many freaking rocks. It's unreal.
Petoskies are here. It's crazy.
Yeah, there's tons of them here.
Even the ones that are dried, we can't see them.
Yeah, all these dry rocks up in there. I'm sure there's some up in there and you can't even see them.
I think the spot is it?
Yeah. Okay, I just got to the spot. Right there in the middle of the screen is a Petoskey stone. At least it looks like it. Oh yeah. You can kind of see the Petoskey's on it. Definitely Petoskey stone. Nice size one too. Alright, I'll find another one. Doesn't take long. Okay, there's a really nice Petoskey stone, a crystal, another cool rock, and a really nice fossilized coral, all in the same spot. So I'm gonna pick up the coral. You guys hopefully can see that. It's pretty cool looking. I'm gonna pick up the crystal. See how that shines. It's got a little bit of color on it. It's really nice. I thought this rock was neat. I guess it's really nothing special. Here's the Petoskey stone. Oh, it's a half and half. That's cool. Oh, I just splashed myself right in the eye. Yeah, Petoskey stone. All in this one spot. Petoskey. Oh, look at that one. That's kind of cool. I love coming out to places like this and looking at all the rocks. It's so cool. Some people think rocks are dumb, but I mean, if you find a lot of Petoskey stones like what we're doing, you can actually sell them and make money. But I'll find some more Petoskey stones and I'll let you know. So I moved to the right, or to the left a little bit with my dad, and there is a Petoskey stone right here.
Decent one too.
Yep, it's nice. And I'm sure there's a few more right here. I saw one.
There's a coral.
Where did it go? I saw one right up here somewhere. Yeah, you see that coral that you have. Just show them that.
That's pretty awesome. I think it's crystally inside it, where it's open there.
That's crazy.
Because it was shining like crazy.
I pointed it out, but I don't remember where it went. But yeah, there's tons of rocks down this beach. Super beautiful out here. Absolutely amazing. Alright guys, the coolest Petoskey stone I've ever found in my life is right in front of me. Oh my gosh. No way, that's sick. What? That is the coolest one I've ever found. By far. Oh my god, that's going in the boat. Look at all of them that we found. Look at it. Just look at them all. I haven't been filming every one of them for you guys, but not every one of them, but well, a few of them here and there. I can't film everything. I run out of battery space, and I mean SD card space and battery room and this and that. But man, tons of beautiful rocks. Never gets old looking for rocks. I've been doing this for like an hour. I've already found tons. Found some big ones, some small ones. Just absolutely awesome freaking rocks. I would let you guys go. Oh, it's a fossil. That's cool. I will let you guys go. Daddy-O's coming over here. Alright, so I moved over and this Petoskey stone sticks out like a sore thumb. Look at that, guys. Oh wow, that's a very nice one. Holy mac and cheese. That was a nice big one too. But anyways, I don't want to waste all my video finding Petoskey stones. You guys saw what we found, and we found a whole lot more than what we showed you. And we're not done, but we're done filming it. So we'll see you guys later.
Is that the girl I'm gonna meet?
Last name first and this one left.
TR.
Huh. How's that?
I don't know. So we're done looking for Petoskey's. Down all these rocks all over the place.
For now.
We found a lot, like more than 20.
Yeah.
But
oh, wow.
Now we got to catch some dinner. What the hell? It's a giant arrowhead.
That looks pretty cool. it's a killer.
It's a killer. Anyways, we got to catch some dinner, but we're gonna go up to the base camp for a few minutes, and we're gonna hide our boats as well.
Back. Hey, how you doing?
Wow, you look sweet right there. Anyways, we're up on shore on our island. You see water that way, water that way, and this is our fort. Man, there's water all the way around us. This definitely, it's a crazy island. It's like a long island. but it's not very big. Big enough to camp on. I don't know about putting a house here, but
If this is flat, it'd be big enough for a house.
oh yeah.
And your wells.
There's a
would be-
big, huge hill right here in the middle. You can probably see it there. But anywho, we're gonna go fishing around the island, and
Pretty big hill for a little island.
we'll let you know if we catch anything edible, because we're gonna eat it. Peace. Help! Me stuck in the middle of the ocean. We decided to paddle all the way across the lake for some reason. I will see wherever we're going, which I have no idea where it's at.
We're gonna be ending up.
No, we don't. So we made it to the public access site. It's just like right there. It looks far on camera, but it's really not. That's where Megan was at, where she thought she saw the island, but the island's like actually out and around the corner. But we found this channel, so we're gonna fish this channel, hopefully get some food for dinner. Down for catching some bass, Daddy-O?
I sure hope so.
This is
Even though I
freaking
already got
sweet,
one.
man. We paddled literally all the way across the lake. It was nuts.
I did get a bass already, but it's too small.
Yeah, he caught a bass already. I caught a fish
Was
too,
that a
but
smallmouth,
it was
was it?
small. Yeah, yours was a smallmouth. Mine was a rock bass. Neither one of us are skunked.
Actually, I got a rock bass too.
Oh, so you caught two of them.
Yep.
All right, well, we're gonna go fishing in that direction. We're totally caught in a windstorm. I don't know what to do. Our stuff was on the island way over there. Oh my God. It's so windy in Whitecaps. We gotta get back quick. This is stupid. So we had to take refuge at the public boat dock here. We were just right out there. This giant windstorm came in real quick, and now we're stuck over here. We have to go all the way across the freaking lake. There's no freaking way, dude.
That's a steady breeze, dude.
There's no way. Not when the freaking waves are that bad. We got to go out and around this corner and then all the way across. This freaking sucks. Now we're stuck on the freaking public boat launch. Figured we'd go over here fishing. No, that's a bad idea. I hope the wind stops, because if not, that's gonna really suck.
Yeah.
We finally made it back, and now the freaking water's calm.
Yeah, as soon as we get here. That was so retarded.
That was the stupidest thing ever. Like, we were literally
Like,
stuck in a
I'm
windstorm.
upset about it. It sucked.
But anyways, we're gonna go freaking make a fire and set up camp. All right, we made it back to our camp. That was the longest oar of my life, of my dad's life. We're gonna set the tent up right here and have a little fire, and yeah, that sucked. So anywho, back on the island. Let's set the tent up and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, it's getting dark. Got the tent set up on our beautiful island, and got a nice fire going. As you see, it's what'd you say, make believe?
That's a
This is not a make believe. We're definitely on the island. If this was make believe, that'd be boring.
I was just messing
It
with you.
feels cool because we actually are on an island.
Yes, we is. And it is warm.
It's
And
warm.
chilly out. So this is good.
I mean, I feel warm now.
But I don't like them firecrackers going and fireflies taking off.
Move the tent a little bit backwards.
Oh, is it that?
Yeah, that one that you could just pick up and throw.
Don't do that. Hi there, Fern. You're in my way.
So you burn it.
You ever smoked the fern? You are now. Ooh, maybe we shouldn't have done that.
Oh Jesus! Yeah, don't send the coals everywhere.
Nope, we can't have that kind of stuff.
No, I can't.
And this probably shouldn't be laying next to the fire, is it?
You carried it over there.
I didn't have this. I did?
Yeah. Yeah, I just saw you carrying it over there.
I don't know why I'm already wearing it.
Hey, this isn't a survival challenge, okay? We have food. This is
don't even
camping
know
on
why I did this.
a beautiful island. That's all it is. And there's a person out there.
There's a
What?
just put out a hot spot that was right next to your leg.
Well, thanks. Should we dig the trench around it bigger so that way it's just dirt? Hey, we're having a great time.
And we're making sure nothing's gonna happen on the island. Like,
What was that day? Doing fishing?
fireflies taking
Is he just fishing over there?
Yeah, I'm a walleye fishing. He's got lights on. He's got to have lights on if you're walleye fishing.
Sweet.
On lights on all at night anyway. Got to have lights on.
Well, I'll tell you what, this is pretty fun.
It was. And it still is.
It still is, right?
About time to eat something, though, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down to the lake and get some water, some clean water, and we're gonna boil our noodles in it.
Boil it. Should be alright after we boil it.
Well, yeah, that's what everybody says. There's a
find
hot
out.
spot in front of you.
Yep, there's two. Another one there. Is this a good idea?
Shut up, you stupid squirrel! I'm gonna eat you.
I told you there's squirrels on this island.
Frickin' squirrels on the island?
No, that's a bird.
Are you sure? It sounds like a chipmunk.
That's a bird. It does sound like a chipmunk.
So while we're sitting here and enjoying this beautiful fire,
And I totally ran out of coffee. Go away.
what is that?
I don't know. I think it's a bird.
We're on a frickin' island. What else could it be? There's no
Squirrel.
animals on this island.
Except for the beaver.
Do you want to tell a nice ghost story?
I don't have one.
That's the best ghost story I ever heard. I don't have one.
It's a scary one. Everybody dies. At the end.
The world is not as you know it. Everybody dies in the end. The end.
Well, yeah. Everybody's supposed to.
The government sucks and everybody's gay. I'm just kidding. Oh,
The government does suck, but not everybody's gay.
correct.
'Cause I'm not.
I'm not.
He might be.
Like he might be. Anywho,
Recording?
what?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Shoot.
Oh, shish, kebab.
Hey,
What?
we had paper.
We didn't even use it to start the fire. Anyways,
Have some paper.
I'll catch. Wait, there was a
Price
credit card in there.
Oh, there you
Oh.
This is application for the credit card.
Don't stir up the fire.
No. And then the fire gods come up and say, burn them all. Oh,
That's basically what if we light this island on fire, we're probably in big trouble. We can't paddle away fast enough.
and we can't throw enough water on it because it's dry everywhere.
It's dry everywhere, which means
Except
we're
for the
surrounded by
green stuff.
water, but we don't have the way to get the water to the frickin' yeah.
And I don't have to pee that bad.
I don't either. Anywho, we're gonna get a nice bed of coals going, and we're gonna boil some water and make some ramen.
Hey,
We were gonna have some fish with it, but that did not
fish didn't
work.
The fish don't like us. Not this lake.
But ramen sounds good.
I didn't really want the juice. Not into the juice.
All right, so we made ramen
Already mixed it up.
with lake water and boiled it, and add a little bit of seasonings and This is gonna be our dinner.
Couple wood chips, you don't know.
A couple pieces of dirt and rocks and wood chips in there.
Dirt don't hurt.
Sure don't.
Stop it.
A boiled bug. Huh.
Yeah, they're in there. I'm sure of it. Something in there that we probably shouldn't be eating.
Not bad.
And I don't think there's ticks on the island to worry about, but maybe. We have found ticks lately.
Tell me what you think of the noodles.
They're noodles. Don't know yet. Are they
Tastes
done?
like ramen to me.
Don't taste no different.
Yeah, no, it don't. All right, well, we're gonna eat our.
Except for it kind of tastes fishy.
Because it's fish seasoning. We're gonna eat our. Ooh, who made that?
Thanks.
We're gonna eat our soup and then we'll see you guys in a little bit.
So we did not get skunked.
No, we didn't get skunked. We both caught a fish. I'm done with my noodles now. Enjoying the fire. About to crash in the tent. Maybe do some night fishing, we're not sure. I gotta go get the vape. That's what I gotta get.
She's right over there.
Oh, is that too bright? There you go.
Maybe.
I turned it down.
Okay.
But I don't know if you guys can see that red light out there, but there's people fishing out on the water. This is the best. There's a big hill right there. This is the coolest island camping I've ever done, because this is the first one I've ever done.
Yep.
Camping on an island for 24 hours. Hey. Stranded. We're stranded on an island for 24 hours.
Pretty much. We don't have a vehicle.
I mean, we don't have a vehicle, but we do have a boat.
Or two.
Or two.
Yeah, we can go anywhere.
I mean, we can't go anywhere. We have to paddle our ass off through the darkness to get there.
Like I said, we can go anywhere, but no, we can't.
We can, but we can't. But I'm gonna have some vape, and I guess we'll see you guys in the morning, because this is how dark it is. I'm gonna turn my light off. There's a fire. There's my dad. Here's me. It's pretty freaking dark out here. Can't see nothing but the fire. Turn the light back on. So, I mean,
I don't want to eat the bugs if there was any.
what are we gonna do? I mean, it's
You
dark
left your
out.
bug water in there? Or
No,
did you get rid of it?
I drank it.
It won't work that way. Well, I want to go in there. There it goes. Still won't go in there because of these.
The forks, spoons here. The spoons are fine. They can sit on top. Perfect.
You get hurt on.
Anyways, I guess we're gonna go to bed
Drop it.
after we vape and see you guys in the morning. Right, Dad?
Yep.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. Bye-bye, plastic.
Yep, we're burning all of our garbage. That way we don't leave anything behind.
Never.
But we'll see you guys in the morning when we wake up. Peace. It's the middle of the night. I can't sleep. Dad's sleeping. It got colder, I feel like. I don't know. Trying to get some sleep. I keep hearing noises. See you in the morning.
Kind of weird. Why?
You can't see it on camera, but I'm slowly cracking daylight.
Whoa.
Daddy-O's awake.
I didn't go to sleep.
It wasn't bad sleeping in the tent, but I'll tell you what.
If we had a pillow and blanket, it would be good.
Pillow and blanket would have been good. At least we weren't sleeping in that. That'd be terrible.
Yeah.
But having a fire, thinking about having breakfast, you know, in our little pot thing right here.
That Pepsi that was in there boiling.
Cool.
God, that's melting something.
I put you guys in the fire. That was cool. Anywho, it's cracking daylight over there, and we're just gonna chill for a while. Maybe go do some fishing in a little while.
Maybe just go home.
Or maybe we just go home. I mean, we stayed overnight. I'm super tired. Yeah, I know I'm tired too. We're gonna leave at noon. That way it's 24 hours.
Yeah.
So anywho, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, it's been another half an hour or so. Lightened up pretty good. We just got done having some more ramen because that's all we brought to eat. Figured we'd have fish caught, but you know, this lake sucks for catching fish. Phenomenal lake for catching or finding Petoskey stones and fossils.
We don't want everybody to come to our spot.
I don't know where we're at.
You didn't say the lake, did you?
But no, I don't even know the name of this lake.
Good, I can tell you.
But a sucky lake for going fishing. This is our secret spot for Petoskey stones. As you know, that we found a bunch.
More than one island, so that's all we're saying.
Yeah, it has more than one island. Definitely more than one. There's more than 2 islands here.
Don't say that. Giving too much information.
There's more than 5 islands here.
Let's just say there's one island.
There's one island. Let's just say that.
It's my island.
It's mine. You better stay off it.
My rocks. Leave them alone.
Anywho, probably gonna go out and do some morning fishing for a little bit, and then it's like 6 o'clock. Go to like 8 maybe, and then we'll let Megan know to come pick us up. Close enough to 24 hours. We ran out of all of our necessities. We're out of drinks. We're out of smoke. We're out of...
We're not out of smoke, but we're out of smoke.
Shut it. We're out of freaking pretty much everything besides fire now.
Fire!
Fire! We're out of almost everything, so we're gonna go fishing for a while, and hopefully we catch... If we catch something now, I'm gonna be pissed, because we could have ate it last night. I'm definitely gonna look for more Petoskey stones, but... Anyways, we had a good time, though.
Yeah, it was fun.
Sleeping sucked balls.
Who slept? Maybe me for 10 minutes?
You snored for like 10 minutes. I off and on for like a minute or 2.
No, you snored too.
You little.
Not very long.
I looked at the time and then I felt like I fell asleep, and I looked at the time again. It was 20 minutes later.
It did go by first.
I was hoping I slept for like 2 hours at least, but no, that
20 minutes. I hate that when it happens.
Yeah, it sucks. But anyways, it's daylight. Having a good time.
We need a pop bottle.
Put it in the fire. Put it in the fire. Lay it on the heat ground where it's heated. And then it'll get really hot.
Yeah, that's heated. It's moving. Oh, it's gonna blow up. That's just from the ground.
That was cool. Anywho.
Oh, that Mountain Dew smells like watermelon. So
I wonder
good.
why. It's watermelon flavor.
Yes, but the smell.
We're almost out of
That was
vape too, and this would, we don't want to be without that.
Especially when I don't have that.
Anyways, we'll catch you guys later.
Look at that,
All right.
ladies and gentlemen. This is beautiful out here.
Yes, it is, and we're gonna go look for Podolskis again.
With the boat.
Should I just get in? You can push me down the hill. Yes.
That would be funny. Really? Let it go? You're going backwards. You understand that, don't you?
I
There
do.
we go.
Holy shit! I was flipping over. I'm touching poison ivy. Give me my hand. Whoa! You're falling. I don't think that worked. Let me get out of the boat.
Yeah,
Or
you're tipping.
Or just continue pushing.
Okay.
See you later.
That worked pretty good.
Bye. That was kind of sick. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Wrong. Looking for Podolskis.
I don't want to go backwards. But I want to try. Why? But I want to try.
I don't know why, but I want to try. Don't do it wrong, it'll make you cry. Get in the boat forward and push yourself. It was kind of fun. He's gonna come flying down the hill.
My light is.
If the freaking sun comes out and warms us up more.
I'm prepping myself.
You're prepping?
I'm prepping.
What are you prepping for?
I don't want to fall in backwards.
So go down forward.
I am. That way I'm prepping. See?
I can barely see you.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Alright. Alright. There we go. Are you watching?
Yep.
Shit, there's a freaking spider hanging from my head. Ah!
Take off.
I'm more scared of the spider. Oh boy. I've never done this before.
I didn't either, done just now.
Holy shoot. Yeah!
That was sick.
That was sick.
That was awesome.
I'm going pretty fast too. Holy shoot.
That was cool.
Was that pretty awesome or what?
It was pretty awesome.
I've never done that before.
So many nice rocks, but I'm not taking every one of them home.
That was fun.
That was really cool.
Did you video it?
There's a Podolsky right there. Right there. Right there.
Did you video it?
Yes, I did. There's a Podolsky stone right there. I'm gonna get it first. At least it looks like a Podolsky. It might be a fake. Yeah, it's a fake. Well, as beautiful as it is out here, we're gonna go on where the sun is shining and look for Podolsky stones, and I'll show you what we find. So after quite of a long time of Podolsky hunting, those are all the Podolskys I got. There's a whole ton of them there. I'll show you more of that later, but we're just kind of going around this big lake. This is the island. This is the other side of the island. So we are usually on that side of the island, but this is the other side. So we just went all the way around the island. Huh?
We're going all the way around it.
Yep. But just having a good time and gonna get picked up soon, so. Uh-oh, I'm gonna crash. So as much fun as it was being here, it's time to go.
Time to go. I had a blast.
24-hour camping trip on a deserted island. I had a blast too.
We didn't get skunked.
Nope, we weren't skunked. We caught a fish, a lot of petoskies, fossils. Time to pack up camp and head all the way across the freaking lake way over there. And we'll see you guys when we get there. See you later, Camping Island. You will be missed.
Yeah, we will be.
Time to go all the way across the lake in a kayak. We're almost there. Paddled all the way across. It's really windy. Oh, it's a sketch.
Here, get windy.
It's ridiculous. Whew. Man, we made it home after 24 hours of camping on the deserted island. It was freaking fun. Found a lot of Petoskey stones. Absolutely had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video coming along with us and camping on the island. It was super sweet, and we will do it again. But until then, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys did like it. If you did, please subscribe down below. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and I want to get to 2,000 subscribers, and I can only do that from the help of you guys. So click the subscribe button. Comment down below if you are watching this right now. Let me know that you watched it. And until next time, we'll catch you guys in the next one. We had a blast. Until next time, peace.